Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 5 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 4 to the power of x, to find the values of x. In the first step, we start by applying natural log to the both sides. So it will be ln of 5 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to ln of 4 to the power of x. And as you know, ln of a to the power of m is equal to m times ln of a. So in here, ln of 5 to the power of x plus 2, it will be x plus 2 times ln of 5 is equal ln of 4 to the power of x is x times ln of 4. And the next step, x times ln of 5, x times ln of 5 plus 2 times ln of 5, 2 times ln of 5 is equal x times ln of 4. In the next step, we take this 2 times ln of 5 to the right side and this x ln of 4 to the left side. So it will be x ln of 5 minus x ln of 4 is equal to this to the right side. So it will be minus 2 times ln of 5. In here, x is common, so we can factor this x. So it will be x bracket. This divided by this is ln of 5. And this divided by this is ln of 4 is equal to minus 2 times ln of 5. In next step, we divided both sides of this equation by ln of 5 minus ln of 4. So it will be x ln of 5 minus ln of 4 divided by ln of 5 minus ln of 4 is equal to minus 2 times ln of 5 over ln of 5 minus ln of 4. We divide both sides of this equation by ln of 5 minus ln of 4 here. And in here, this will cancel this, and it will be x is equal this minus 2 times ln of 5 over ln of 5 minus ln of 4. And here, ln of 5 is equal to 1.609 and ln of 4 is 1.386. And here x is minus 2 times ln of 5 minus 2 times ln of 5. ln of 5 is 1.609 and here ln of 5 minus ln of 4. ln of 5 is 1.609 minus 1.386 and it will be 2 times 1.069 is minus 3.218 and here it is 0.223 and this divided by this, x is equal to 14,0431 and this is our final answer for x. And also this is minus 14.431 because in here we have negative and this is negative 14.431. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.